Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Amazon Music with an Amazon Prime membership on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon Music app on your phone. Once the app opens, sign in using the same Amazon account that has your Prime membership. This is very important because Amazon Music takes your Prime benefits through your account. After signing in, you can start listening right away. With Amazon Prime, you get access to Amazon Music Prime, which includes millions of songs, popular playlists, and stations without ads. To find music, tap the search icon at the bottom of your screen. You can search for song, artist, albums, or playlist. When you tap a song or playlist, just press play and enjoy. Amazon Music Prime may not let you pick every song on demand, but you can still listen to playlists, stations, and shuffle music based on your favorite artist. You can also download music for offline listening. Just tap the download arrow on available playlist or songs, and you can listen every songs without internet. And that's it. You are now using Amazon Music with your Prime membership on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.